Freddy here. I wanted to do this video outside, even though it's like crazy bright. The sun's literally right there. Because I got an unboxing for a pressure washer, and I got this because I got a new car and I want to keep it clean and get everything clean, nice in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it. This is a, what was it? Greenworks 1700 PSI. We get closer so you guys can see exactly what I'm working with here. 1700 Greenworks. Alright, so the reason why I went with the Greenworks is because it has the quick release mechanism. So this will be great for a foam cannon, which they give you some kind of spray thing. Not sure how good this is, but we'll give it a try, see what we get. Put that there. So this is one of the adapters there. Here's the gun, the pressure gun, I guess. Screw it in right here. We'll put that down. We get instruction manuals. Don't need that. We get some kind of holder. Looks like the gun holder. So this is kind of already put together for you, so you don't got to worry about it too much. Now this one's actually a little bit on the more expensive side. It's not one of the cheap $75 pressure washer, but I actually got it for $85 off some like shady looking kind of site, but turned out they were legit and I got a good savings on it. So we'll see. Looks brand new. Alright, nothing else in there. So we get, I think, alright, pressure rating is at 1700 PSI. Let me get closer to you guys. Let's see. 1700 PSI. We get rate flow is 1.2 gallons per minute. We get a power core with 35 feet power core. And I think the hose is a little bit longer than most are. 25 feet. So that's good. You got 7-inch wheels. I don't think we get any. Oh, we do get a couple bonus tips. We get a 40-degree tip, and we get a 25-degree tip, and we get the soap blaster thing. I don't really know what that one's called. Let's see, soap applicator. It's a $20 Valley soap applicator. Here's the spray nozzles. You get the 40 degree and the 25 degree. And those fit right in there. And the hose is got this handle here, rolls right up, so that's good. Your power cable rolls up in here. and it looks like you can store the foam applicator back here as well, like so. Anything else? You got water in. Hold that guy. Alright. You got the water in here, out this way, on and off switch there. And I think that's it, guys. I don't see anything else. So you got some kind of instructions down here. And I think your power cable has like a circuit breaker thing. So that's it. Till next time, peace.